Hi, Cobot Carl here. Just want to show you a new feature of Polyscope X that I'm really excited about. It's called Teach Mode, and what it actually does is that we can guide the robot to do trajectories that might be quite complex to do with point-to-point-to-point programming. So if I, for example, have a complex movement out of a machine, I can go into one of the smart skills in Polyscope X that's called Teach Mode. So if I activate Teach Mode right now, you can see in the Teach pendant that it's teaching, and I can then just free drive the robot as I normally would in a trajectory, something like this, and go to my position. Once I stop Teach Mode, you can see that it actually populates a node called Convert to Move Nodes in your program tree. Once I hit that, it actually generates a path with all those points that I then can individually tweak or simply run the way I guided the robot with my hands. This is one of the new smart features in Polyscope X that I think you're gonna love.